to edit message in Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can edit the message in Messenger. So to edit the message in Messenger, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Messenger app. If you don't have, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to search for the Messenger on your search bar. After searching for the Messenger, you have to make sure that the Messenger app is fully updated on your device. If not, then you have to get the latest version of your Messenger app. After that, you have to open up your Messenger app and select the one of the chat from your Messenger app. So here you have to select the one of the chat from your Messenger app. After that, here you have to go and write the one of the message from your. So here you have to write the one of the message and go for the send option. So to edit the message in your Messenger, you have to long press on that message, go for the more option, and on the top you can see the edit option. So here you can edit your message from your Messenger. Go for the right click option. Then here you can see that your message has been edited. With the help of this simple process, you can easily edit your message in Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.